How to fix WhatsApp application not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as in order to use WhatsApp it is really important to use a proper working internet connection, else the app will not work. Next fix for this issue is open App Store and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further, as outdated versions might cause the bug. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general. Here tap on iPhone storage and scroll down and navigate to the WhatsApp option and tap on it. Further, tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and hold on the WhatsApp application. You will then see the option for remove app. Tap on it and then tap on the delete app option and then on delete. Once you have deleted WhatsApp application from your device, tap on the App Store option and then reinstall the WhatsApp application again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be that the server is down in that particular area, so you can simply wait for the server in that area to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp application not opening problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.